always fun learning. Today we have a special visitor, Eve. Heyo! What shall we learn today, Eve?
How about how to make a fortune teller?
That's great, because my dance teacher, Katie, asked me to teach that. You'll need the following equipment. A4 white paper
And scissors.
So Eve, first of all, you take the top corner and line it up with the side to make a triangle. This is how it should look. Now you have a go.
Okay.
Well done.
This is what they both should look like.
Now to help, you see this little rectangle at the bottom? You fold this bit up to make a crease, so when we come to cutting it, we cut it with the creases. Eve has already done this, so now we have to cut with the rectangle so the triangle is only left. Now we've got the triangle, we unfold it to make a square. Now we fold the square into one rectangle. Then we make a crease and we do it again on the other side. Eve, do you want to go on doing this?
Sure thing.
And if you want to, you can do it again to make sure it's secure. Next we have to get a point in between these lines to make 4 triangles. Now do the exact same thing on the other side. 2 triangles. 3 triangles.
It kind of looks like an envelope when you do 3. Yeah, it does. Closed envelope.
Nearly there, Eve. Just one last step. What's the last step? We have to fold this over to make it a rectangle on squares on each side. Then all that's left is decorating.
Oh, I love decorating.
Yeah. Decorate your fortune teller however you want. Most people have numbers on the outside and colours on the inside. But today I've gone for patterns on the outside and numbers on the inside. Bibbity bobbity, bibbity bob, give me my stripes, emoji, stars and spots. Yay, it worked. Kadabra, make my purple, blue, green and orange fortune teller appear. Oh yay, it worked as well as yours. Now we turn it over to the triangle side. And what do you think we do here, Eve?
I think we number them, is that right?
Yes. 1 to 8. Okay.
fortune tellers. This is how it should look now. We've just got one more step left and then we're done.
Now we turn it back to the numbers.
And under each flap we write a response like yes or no.
We've finished putting our responses in now.
And here are some that we've made. A bit.
I've got on a full moon.
All the time.
You're too nervous.
Never ever.
Probably.
Of course.
Probably not.
Yep.
Yes.
Nope.
Always.
Not yet.
Never.
In your dreams.
No.
There we go. Now let's have a game of it.
Let's test our fortune tellers. Eve, do you have a question?
Yes, it will tomorrow be a fun day at school.
Stars, spots, stripes or emojis?
Spots.
S-P-O-T-S. 2, 5, 6 or 1? 2. 2, 5, 6 or 1?
1.
The answer is yeah.
Oh yay!
Okay. Thanks everyone for watching and please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button.